On this video we are going to focus on Journey Band. On our channel we feature such videos. Did you know which iconic songs Journey is best known for? Journey, an iconic American rock band, was formed in 1973 in San Francisco. Initially comprised of Gregg Rolie, vocals, keyboards, Neal Schon, lead guitar, George Tickner, rhythm guitar, Valory, bass, and Prairie Prince, drums, the band gained prominence with their distinct blend of rock and progressive influences. Tickner left shortly after formation, paving the way for Aynsley Dunbar to join on drums. Journey's lineup underwent several changes over the years. Rolie departed in 1980, with Steve Perry stepping in as lead vocalist. Steve Smith replaced Dunbar on drums in 1978. Perry, Schon, Valory, Smith, and Jonathan Cain, who joined in 1980, constituted the most commercially successful lineup. Perry and Cain notably contributed to the band's songwriting prowess. Conflicts within the band, particularly between Perry and other members, led to his departure in 1998. Vocalist Arnel Pineda joined in 2007, rejuvenating Journey's presence. The band's repertoire spanned power ballads like Don't Stop Believin' to anthems such as Wheel in the Sky. Their achievements include multiple platinum albums and Grammy nominations. Notable albums include Escape, Frontiers, and Infinity. Journey's live performances, including the 1983 Houston Astrodome concert, are legendary. However, tensions and creative differences caused intermittent rifts among members. Tragically, rhythm guitar George Tickner passed away at the age of 76, while Perry's departure marked a significant loss for the band. After years of hiatus, Journey reunited for tours and albums, showcasing classics and new material. Members pursued diverse ventures post-disbandment, with Schon and Cain releasing solo works. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.